Hi, welcome to Leigh Art's Crafty Recycling for the Wild, a project for Cruinniú. This is the birdhouse that we're going to make, and 11-year-old Leigh is going to present the tutorial. Enjoy!
Hi, I'm Leigh and I'm going to show you how to make these cute little birdhouses. First of all, what you'll need, and most importantly, is a bottle, and you will need to keep the cap. Then you will need scissors. You can use acrylic paint, but we're going to use spray paint because it dries faster. Decorations. Hot glue for the decorations. String. This is optional but lighter, and for if the bottle does not stay together, you can use these pins that go in and out. So we're going to go straight into cutting the bottle. So first of all, you're going to take off the lid, but still don't throw it away, you will need it. We're going to be cutting into thirds, so you're going to be cutting off the top and the bottom. You can get rid of the middle. So what you're going to need to do is you need to go and pinch it and make a little slit with your scissors. You're going to put your scissors and cut around. So we got the top off. You're going to repeat for the bottom. Okay, so you have the bottom off too, so you have the top and the bottom. You can get rid of the middle part. And we're gonna put the bottom off to the side, and we're gonna work on the top. Okay, so we're gonna cut long. And don't cut up really high and don't cut really low either. We have our big flaps, and now we're going to curve them so they make kind of like a flower petal. So we're going to also cut one off for an opening for the bird. So I'll just cut this off. And don't have it really sharp so the bird does not cut itself. So there's the opening for the bird's head, and we're just going to keep rounding the other petals of the flower. Okay, there we go. I'm going to take the scissors and we'll put those over there. And now we're going to get the lighter. So now that I have the lighter, you can cut the petals now to have more, but I like the big ones. So we're gonna over there. So I have this part now, so we're gonna cut an opening on this one for the bird. So I'm going to use a lighter and run it around the edges to make sure they aren't sharp for the bird. The bird does not cut themselves. And now we're going to hit the top and put it on the top. So we're going to go spray paint it now. So I have moved location to outside so I can do my spray painting. So I am going to take off the lid and I'm going to take this apart. So I'm going to shake this before I use it. It's just okay. So I'm going to spray. So now I'm going to stand it up to dry over there. And now I'm going to do the same thing that I did with pink yellow. So we put on the butterfly pins just to make sure it stays on either side. And now we're going to put on the decorations. So now I'm going to use the hot glue to make sure it stays. Also be careful when using hot glue. So I've got these sticky little butterflies. I'm going to use a yellow and a purple one, and they've got a little sticky back, so just peel that off. Almost done, because now we're going to do the string up on the top so it'll be able to hang, and then it'll be done. So lid on for security, and now your crafty birdhouse for the wild is complete.
Crafty recycling for the wild is complete.